Static electricity is produced when certain materials are rubbed with each other. For example, if you rub a glass rod with a silk cloth, the glass will build up static charges that can attract small bits of paper or plastic. Such buildup of charged particles in one location or in one substance is called static electricity. In the above example, the glass has become electrically positive. The accumulation of charges continues if the materials are rubbed with each other continuously. Static electricity of high voltage range can thus be produced. This kind of static electricity plays a vital role in cargo loading system. The cargo is loaded with liquid by transporting the liquid through pipelines. When the liquid flows through the pipelines, charge generation takes place due to rubbing friction caused by the surface tension between the flowing liquid and the pipelines. The pipeline which carries the liquid is negative, and it gains negative charge. The liquid flowing through the pipeline carries positive charges. This charge accumulation is more severe in pipe joints and bends, since these points are sources of increased surface tension comparing with the smooth inner side of pipelines. The bigger size or increased volume of the joints and bends is also contributing for increased charge separation and accumulation at these points. These charges can cause corona discharges or sparks outside the pipelines, but they are harmless. The liquid with accumulated charges splashes into the tank and forms a charged mist inside the tank. This mist induces opposite charges in any conducting materials present inside the tank, like tank cleaning equipment and samplers. The phenomenon causes accumulation of opposite charges on these materials. These accumulated charges with opposing polarities discharge in the form of incendive sparks, which is the minimum spark level capable of igniting flammable liquids. This incendive spark hence leads to ignition, and thereby causing explosions inside the tank. The simple way to prevent the above hazards of static electricity is to prevent charge accumulation. This can be done by proper bonding and grounding of the materials, like pipelines, bends, and tank surfaces, which get affected by static electricity. This bonding with tank causes sharing of charges that flows through the pipeline. The tank which contains the liquid should be grounded properly, and thereby the charges generated inside the tank flow to the ground. Thus, any accumulation of charges is prevented, and hence the hazards of static electricity are avoided. In this exercise, you have learnt about the static charge accumulation, its hazards, and method to prevent them in fuel loading system of cargo ships.